2,500 monthly lang? Naging 2 million? Totoo ba yan? Hello mga friendship! This past few days, talaga namang puro life insurance ang topic ko because this is the foundation of your financial planning. Isipin nyo na lang, nagpagawa kayo ng bahay na walang pundasyon. Alam nyo na mangyayari, di ba? So for today's video guys, bibigyan ko naman kayo ng step-by-step on how to make life insurance affordable. And the last tip will be the biggest factor that can affect the premium. Kaya tapusin nyo tong video na to para makatipid ka. So step 1. Choose the right type of policy. If you are watching my previous video, guys, shinare ko doon yung mga different type of life insurance. At kung ano at para saan ang mga ito. Let's say you're a breadwinner, the basic life insurance you need is income protection plus health coverage. Now that you know kung ano yung kailangan mo, step 2 naman tayo. So step 2 is determine the appropriate coverage amount. So may konting math to guys ha, kapit lang mga friendship. So, let's say ang gastos mo sa buong taon is around 240,000 or sabihin na natin 20,000 monthly. The minimum income protection you need is worth 5 years of your expenses. So, that will be around 1.2 million. Isipin nyo na lang mga friendship, di ba? Parang ang hirap sa isang asawa na magluksa. At the same time, kailangan niya magtrabaho para makasurvive yung family niya. Kung may income protection siya na nasa 2,500 monthly, at least meron siyang 2 million of death claim para makapag-adjust ang family niya for the next few months or year na darating. This is the peace of mind that your family can live when you're gone. Step 3 naman tayo. Shop around and compare quotes. Okay? Ang bigat lang sa dibdib, di ba? But this next step will empower you. Ngayon, alam mo na kung anong type of insurance ang kailangan mo and magkano ang kailangan mo. The next thing you need to consider is how much yung premium mo o yung babayaran mo sa policy mo. The best thing to do, syempre, magpa-quote ka. Pwede ka magpa-quote kay pula, kay asul, kay orange, kay yellow, para magkaroon ka ng comparison. Dito mo tignan kung yung proposal ba na pinakita sa'yo is match para sa kailangan at sa budget mo. Lastly, ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na pinaka-importante at nabanggit ko rin to dun sa previous videos natin last week, no? Step 4. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Oh yes, may factor ang health mo sa premium mo. Let me explain. Let's say, no, 2 million yung life insurance na kailangan ni client. And then 30 years old siya. Healthy siya. His premium could be around 2,500. Compared natin yan sa another 30-year-old male who has hypertension. Of course, mas mataas ng few hundreds or sometimes thousand din yung difference. Kasi syempre, depende yan sa result ng kanyang laboratory, ng kanyang medical exam, di ba? So, mas mataas yung risk ng second client. Kaya mas mataas yung premium niya. So, ayan mga friendship. That's the simplest step-by-step to make your life insurance affordable. Just a reminder, what I give you is a general advice. At kung kailangan nyo ng more detailed na computation, which is yung talaga ang kailangan mo, yes, much better to talk to your financial advisors. Okay? So once again, guys, this is Pia Oyalina, your financial advisor. I will help you to protect, invest, and achieve your financial goals. Bye for now and follow for more. Love, love!